Ever wondered which jet sounds like thunder itself? Let's find out. From the east comes China's J-20. Its twin WS-10 engines scream like a storm trapped in metal, echoing across runways. Then there's Russia's Su-35, a beast powered by AL-41 thrust vectoring engines, roaring so deep it rattles the earth beneath it. But when America's F-22 Raptor takes off, everything else falls silent. Its twin Pratt and Whitney engines unleash a piercing boom that slices through the air. Stealth meets sheer fury.